is when you think about it, if we want to try to improve energy production and blood production, the first thing we have to do is we have to improve the quality of food that's going in. What does that look like? That means, first of all, work towards 4 cups of vegetables per day. So really that's like, 8 half-cup servings. They can be roasted, steamed, sauteed, however you want. You can put them in eggs. You can do whatever. I like to pan roast a whole bunch on Sunday. So I'll just go to the farmer's market, whatever looks really fresh, local, seasonal, chop it all up the same size, olive oil, some herbs, cayenne pepper because I like things so roast the heck out of it until it gets nice and soft because that makes it more digestible. And then I'll eat on that because if I have to make vegetables every single day, it just doesn't happen as much as I would like it to. So that's a technique. So we want to be looking at where can we get vegetables at every meal and snack. Look for things like for your snacks, like say I'm going to have hummus and pita. How could I add 1 or 2 more vegetables? Well, I'm going to cut up a half a bell pepper and I'm going to scoop my hummus with a bell pepper also and some celery. That way, each time you're supercharging the quality of food that's going in so that we have resources for making high quality blood, which we need to do, and higher quality energy. Look for things like superfoods to add flax seeds, chia seeds, avocados, nuts, more healthy fat, and start reducing and supplementing high quality foods for carbohydrate rich, like refined carbohydrates and things like that. All right, that should be a good